First step is to click on the search app pin at the taskbar of your PC. Then in the search space, you have to type the word startup. As you're typing it, the system may make some suggestion to us. Okay. Okay. See it startup app. So tap on it for it to open. All right, the page has opened now. So you can see the some apps that are turned on. So they are startup apps. As your system is starting, the apps are starting with your system. But these ones that are toggled off, they don't start with your PC. So if you feel like okay, there's some I don't need here, I need to toggle them off. You can do that. Okay, so some of these are turned on by default, but I toggled them off. Something like Microsoft Edge was turned on by default. I toggle it on. HP host launcher, I toggled it off. I don't need it. Okay. Likewise, my HP system tray, I just toggled it off. So it's not necessary because it slows down my system. Okay, which I don't like. Then with the security notification icon, you can turn it on your own, but I don't like it, so that's why I toggle it on. Okay, so please don't touch this. Retech HD Audio Universal Service. Leave it. OneDrive is a cloud storage service, so please still leave it so that there are some files that needs to be synced. They can sync immediately on turning on your PC. So, but Microsoft Edge is not necessary. It's turned on by default. So just turn it off. So these are just the few steps you need to take to turn off some startup apps on your PC. I hope this video tutorial helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. As soliciting for a subscription, like this video. If there are some videos you want to cover on the Windows 11, please do well to drop that in the comment section. I will try and make out time to work on it. Thank you and stay good. See you next time.